Okay everyone, it's time to review the results from our bentonite test. We can see here that we've got our finish NTUs here now. So we're looking for the first measurement that has got a difference of less than 2, which is this measurement here, which is our 0.6 grams per litre bentonite addition. That wine, if we look at it with if we go to our visual for that sample, so phone torches are brilliant for this sort of thing. If we go to visual on that sample, we can see it's absolutely sparkling clear. There's no haze whatsoever, and certainly from any visual guideline represents an attractive wine. Now, that doesn't necessarily mean that that's probably the addition rate we need to run with. If we look at the smaller additions, the 0.4 and the 0.2, the differences are only just outside the specification compared to the control. So perhaps let's have a look at the control first, just to see how cloudy is too cloudy. So this is basically what would happen if we do nothing. So if we bottle the wine as it is, that's roughly how cloudy the wine would end up. Now, for many consumers, that wouldn't be a problem at all, but for many it would. So the question then becomes, between this point here and the 0.6, what is the desirable addition rate? And that's where you would need to make your own assessments, looking at the 0.2 and 0.4 gram per litre additions to see whether the haze, the very small haze in those samples, was something that you could live with or not. But for the most part, for the majority of wines that go to market, they would follow this test fairly strictly, and they would stick to that to that 2 NTU guideline, which would mean that we would run with the 0.6 gram per litre bentonite addition. Okay, so thanks for partaking in today's prac. We're hoping still that there'll be an opportunity for you to carry out this prac on campus very soon. But until then, hopefully you've gained some theoretical understanding of how bentonite finding works in reality. Thank you.